Okay, everyone. So because the assignment 2 now has been updated with the new instructions, so I am creating or recording the solution for the new assignment 2. So I already have started the virtual machine and log on and already adjust the screen resolution to make it a little bit bigger so we can see all the Azure navigation and also the button and the menu. Okay. So the lab consists of the few stages. The first stage is to create the Azure Machine Learning Workspace. You log on to the Azure portal. Okay, open the Edge. Then after that, log on to the portal, azure.com. Okay, so log on with this username, the resources here. Just now I log on, so it was recorded already. If not, just click this username. The password is this one. Okay, so in here, you click the create resource. After that, search for the Azure Machine Learning Workspace. Okay, this one, the second one. Click this Azure Machine Learning. After that, click create. Okay, so the resource group, you click create. And then after that, ASSG to RG. Yeah. Okay, just any name. And then for the workspace, machine learning workspace, ASSG2 MLWS, yeah, machine learning workspace. So the rest, no need to change, use the default, then click review create. You need to wait for a while. The validation will be completed, then we click create. Yeah, okay, everything's good, validation pass, click create. Okay, this will take a little time, maybe 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, so in the meantime, let's go back to the lab instruction and see what we need to do next. Okay. Yep. So here you go. This is the first part. Yeah. So we only need to provide the resource group name and the machine learning workspace name and selection region. The storage account, key vault, application insight, and content registry. You can leave the default value provided by the Azure. You can change, but not needed. Yeah. So we just use the default. This unique GUID. Make sure that it's not duplicate with the existing one. Okay, once this finished, then you're going to continue with exploring the Azure Machine Learning Studio. This is the place where you're going to work with the Azure for the remaining other assignment and milestone. Yeah, go to the resource group, and then after that, confirm the resource group contains Azure Machine Learning Workspace, and then select the workspace, and then launch the studio, and then go to the overview. And then in the authoring, you can see the notebook, automated ML, and designer and prompt flow. Yeah. After that, asset, data, jobs model, just like what we see in this screenshot. Yeah, the navigation, launch studio, and then click minutes. Yeah. Then after that, go to the part 3. So in the part 2, we don't do anything to create the new things. Yeah, just navigate, browse, and view. Yeah. Okay, let's do it. By now should be okay. Still in progress. Just wait for a while. Okay, so done. For the screenshot, we can do later. Let's go to the resource group. Yeah, machine learning workspace here. Okay, so you scroll down, then you see the studio. Yeah, launch the studio. If you don't see it, then you have to scroll on the right pane, the main pane. Yeah, the main pane. You need to scroll. Then after that, launch the studio. Yeah. Okay. So here, this is the menu. Yeah, the menu. Yeah. Okay. You can customize the view. Yeah, and so on. But because the screen is too small, you cannot see the navigation on the left. Yeah. You click this bar. Yeah. Then you can see this. Yeah. If you want to see everything, yeah, then I detach this, split the window, yeah, then after that minimize, yeah, okay. Now you can see the left navigation is shown. So remember, if you cannot see this left navigator, it's because your screen is too small. Once you adjust the screen to make it bigger, then this will be displayed. Yeah. If you want to hide, you can click this one. Yeah. Okay. Then after that, you click again. Yeah. To display again. Okay. Yeah. Workspace. Yeah. Okay. Then after that, you have this. Yeah. So if you lost somewhere, yeah, then after that you can just click the home. Yeah. Then after that, open this one. Assignment to machine learning workspace. Yeah. Click, then it go back to the machine learning workspace. So you have the authoring notebook, automated ML, designer, prompt flow, yeah, and compute and so on. So this is the part 2. Now we continue with the part 3. So in the part 3, to train the model using the AutoML, yeah, to explore the use of the asset and resources in the Azure Machine Learning Workspace, let's try to train the model, yeah. So go to the AutoML. Download the training data that will be used, yeah, which is at this. So you click this location, copy, yeah. Then after that, go to the this virtual machine in a browser. You you paste the location using these tools. Type the text from the clipboard. Yeah. Okay, enter. So this is the diabetes data set. Okay, so it's located inside the download folder. Okay, you need to extract the data. Right click, after that extract all. Okay, so remove this, then after that diabetes data. Okay, this is the CSV, diabetes data, and the ML table. Okay, there are 2 files inside this zip. Okay, now we continue. We already downloaded the data and extracted to the VM. Yeah. Back to the VM, select AutoML, then click the plus new automated ML job. And then in a basic setting, set the give unique name. Yeah, so I will give the name of assignment to AutoML. Yeah. And then in the task type and data, select classification, and then click plus to create. Add your training data. Yeah. On the create data set, in the data type, then give the name, example training data, and then next. Yeah. And then in the data source, select from the local file, and then destination, verify Azure Blob, and then Workspace Blob Store, and then in the ML table selection, upload the folder, and select the folder you extracted from the compressed file. Okay, so we need to extract to the folder. So I have to make some correction. Just now I didn't extract to the folder, so I need to extract folder. So I delete this first. Yeah. So I need to extract the folder. Right click, extract all. Keep the folder name, yeah, diabetes data. So it will be in a single folder because we're going to upload the folder, not the individual file. Yeah, this one. Okay, so let me try to remember the step, but in case forget, you can go back again. Yeah, so go to the Azure ML. Then after that, here, open the studio, yeah. And then after that, go to the AutoML, automated ML, yeah. Okay, click the new automated ML job. Okay, so you need to give the name to the AutoML job. Yeah, okay, I give the name, for example, ASSG2 AutoML. Yeah, this name is up to you. Yeah. Then a new experiment name. Okay, so I just I just put a job here. Yeah. Okay, so create new experiment. The assignment to AutoML EXP experiment. Yeah, it's up to you. Then a description. You're going to do the classification. Okay, so next, yeah. After that, select the task type is the classification. Select the data. Make sure your data is pre-processed into a supported format. Yeah, okay. So I create the new data. Okay, the name is okay, let's open again the instruction. When you create the data, yeah, training data. Okay, training data. Okay, so put the same in the description. Training data set. Okay, so the type is the type is the ML table. Yeah, then upload folder. ML table. Okay, after that, click next. Okay, upload from the local file. Okay, after that, yeah, upload from local file. Then next. Okay, Azure blob storage. Okay, from local file, Azure blob storage. After that, Workspace. Yeah, in the destination, Azure blob storage, and Azure blob store is selected, and then upload folder. Okay, yeah, next, yeah, master, upload the folder, and then in the download yes, diabetes data, yeah, upload to files, yes, click upload. Okay, yeah, so next, after that, let's look at the instruction. Okay, review the setting for your data set and select create. Back in the task type and data, select the data you just uploaded and select next. Okay, you may need to select the classification task type again before moving to the next step. Okay, so here, yeah, so create. Yeah, creating the dataset. Okay, created already. So after created, back to this, yeah, then select next. Select the data you just uploaded and next. Okay, select the training data. And don't forget to click this radio button, yeah, click next. After that, yeah, the task type is classification, training data, view data, target the column, yeah, okay. So let's look, we want to predict the select the diabetic boolean as your target column, yeah, diabetic boolean. So we want to predict whether the person has a diabetes or not, yeah. Then open the view additional configuration. Okay, so here diabetic, yeah. This is the two class classification or binary, yeah, diabetic or not, yeah, yes or not, yeah. Okay, after that, the few additional configuration setting. Let's look at the few additional configuration setting. In the additional configuration, change the primary metric to accuracy, and then save and expand the limit. Okay, so accuracy here. Okay, and then after that, expand the metrics. Yeah. Okay, one moment. Okay, primary metric is accuracy. After that, save it. Yeah. After save, then expand the limit. Okay, save. And then expand the limit. Click the limit. So you configure this. The first is the maximum trial 10, experiment timeout 60, maximum trial 10, maximum timeout is iteration timeout, yeah, 60 minutes. So if for 60 minutes not finished, then we'll stop. Iteration timeout, okay, 60, iteration is 15. Iteration timeout 15. And then the experiment timeout is 60, 15. And then enable early termination check. Okay, so when possible, it will terminate earlier when it comes to the achieve the good model. For test data, select train test split, verify percentage test is 10. Okay, yeah. So test data, train test, yeah. Okay, after that 10. Okay, good. So validation type is let's check. The validation type is the test data. Okay, nothing. Yeah. In the compute, you're going to create the compute serverless standard DS3 version 2. Okay. So click next. Okay. Compute type is a serverless. Okay. And then standard DS version 2. Okay. That's the default. Number instance 1. Next. Submit training job. Okay. Yeah. So that's the part 3. So this will take a while. Yeah. This will take a while. If there is any error, it will give you the notifications warning. Yeah. Okay. Automated job ML is running. Yeah. So we wait until this status finish. Okay. Review all the setting, then submit training job. Yeah. Then it's running now. So after that, use the job to view your history. Yeah. Okay. So it will take 10 to 20 minutes for the training job to finish. Okay. How to monitor? On the left here, you have the job. Yeah. Click the job. Then after that, you can see this one. Assignment 2, AutoML experiment. You click this, yeah. You can refresh the status. Okay, yeah. So click the this job. Okay, then after that, here is currently running. Yeah, still running, and then the next is in a queue to be executed. Yeah, we have to wait this until finish. Okay, so while waiting, I stop the pause the recording because it will take 10 to 20 minutes. Just wait for a while. After this, we continue again. Okay, everyone, just know the status was in the queue, but now it's already running. But I still have some other processes as part of this job are not started yet. Yeah. So we have to wait until all of this running and completed. So what actually happened in the background is this Azure Machine Learning will perform the machine learning model training using the data set that we provide. Yeah. So the data set is like this. Yeah. DSP. Let's open. Okay. This one is to predict whether a patient or someone is has a diabetes or not. Yeah. Based on the some laboratory test result like pregnancy, plasma glucose, diastolic blood pressure, tricep thickness, serum insulin, yeah, BMI, yeah, body mass index, diabetes pedigree, and so on. So this data collected, and this is the past data, yeah. And then what we do is we create a model to predict, yeah, if someone come with this data, but we don't know whether they are diabetes or not. Then we ask the model to analyze for us, then come with a prediction whether it is diabetes or not. Yeah. Okay. And yeah, so it will do automatically. It will choose more than one algorithm and then do parallelly. And then after that, will come back to us with the best result. So if you do manual, you have to do one by one. It will take a longer time. Yeah. Okay. So some completed. Yeah. Okay. You can see here below. Some is still running. So if you notice just now, 28, yeah, 28 now is 42, so already 14 minutes. So should complete in a while more. Won't be taking too long. Yeah. Okay, yeah, so mostly completed already, only left with this. Okay, oh sorry, this one is 3, yeah, 1, 2, 3. Still not completed. Refresh again. Okay, and anytime you want to see the detail of the job that already completed, yeah, you can click, yeah, like this, for example. Polite cheetah. This name is just a random name, yeah. Okay, you can load more, yeah. Okay, yeah. Most of the job here are completed. So you can see one of that, yeah. Okay, yeah. What this job doing, yeah. Input name, training data, data set, yeah. Output, yeah. Okay, you can see the accuracy is 0.95, which is a very good, yeah. I mentioned yesterday that if you can get accuracy 0.75 or 75%, that's considered all already a good. Yeah, 95% is quite excellent. Yeah. Okay. So this still compare with other. Okay, let's have a look again at the other jobs. Just now was 95%. Yeah. Okay. Yep. So let's have a look other. For example, here bright data. Yeah, bright data. Okay. Accuracy 93%. Oh, sorry. Accuracy is 83%. Yeah, this one is worse than 95%. So it will compare, yeah, and then choose the, because we compare by the accuracy, just now we decide. So it will compare this one and will give us the best model, which is the highest one. Yeah, wait until finish. Should not be taking too long. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, only left two more, three. Yeah, three more. Two subtasks. Okay. So we have the 8395. Yeah, how about this one? The polite, stoic. Yeah, right. Careful. Yeah, careful and okay. This one is a 86%. Yeah, accuracy. Okay, only left one. Yeah, left one in the queue. I pause again. Okay, everyone completed already. All the jobs are already completed. Yeah. Okay, refresh. Yeah, so all completed. Yeah, okay, good. Yeah. So we're going to see the best model. Yeah, but before that, let's open the instruction. It should be taking 10 to 20 minutes for the training job to finish. When it is completed, you can also view the detail of for the each individual component run. Yeah, just want to show you, including the output. Yeah, feel free to explore the job page to understand how the models are trained. Azure Machine Learning automatically keeps track of your job's properties. By using the jobs, you can easily view your history to understand what you or your colleagues have already done. Yeah. During experimentations, jobs help keep track of the different model you train to compare and identify the best model. Yeah. During production, jobs allow you to check whether automated workloads ran as expected or not. Yeah. Okay. Let's have before we delete. Yeah. Let's go back. Then after that, this one. Yeah. So click this one, and then after that, you can see here. Yeah. The output name, yeah, best model. Yeah, the best model is this. Yeah, Azure ML assignment 2 AutoML job 9. This is the best one. Okay, you click, and then after that you check the accuracy. This is the best. Okay. Yep. Yeah, created by this. Okay. Then after that, artifact. Yeah. This is the data set and so on. After that, the jobs. Nothing. Data. Nothing. Okay, I would like to see the result. Yeah. Okay. Automated AutoML job 9. Okay, and then you see the matrix. Yeah, the matrix, the tab matrix. Okay, 95%. Yeah, 95.25556. And then AUC, the area under the curve is 99%. This is the plot that generated. Yeah? You can explore this. Yeah, don't just close delete. Yeah? But you can explore the metrics that recorded. Yeah, you can go to this metrics. This is the model that generated. Yeah? Okay. So mostly this one. The metrics is the important part. Yeah. Okay. So that's the assignment 2. And then after that, before we delete, I would like to check what screenshot we have to provide. Okay. This what screenshot? So total is about 40 minutes. Yeah, you need the 40 minutes to complete this. Okay, I'm going to download the new template. Yeah, okay. So click this one. Okay. Assignment 2. Do you have the template? Okay. This one. Download the template. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so this one is the template. After that, I'm going to create a sample. Okay. I copy first. Okay, then after that, change the name from the template to sample. Okay, let's see what is inside, what we need to submit. Wait, okay, I can see now. Where is my mouse? Yeah. Okay, I think I know why. Okay, yeah, so here you go. I enable the editing. Why the mouse is not visible? Okay, create the machine learning workspace and resources in the resource group. Okay, so hello. Oh yeah, my mouse is okay. I click the editing. Okay, now I can see. Created the machine learning workspace and resource in the resource group. Okay, so after that, the ML Studio launching page, yeah, AutoML job configuration screenshot, yeah, then the job page after AutoML job submission. Okay, so let's try. There are 4 screenshots, yeah. I do it one by one. So created machine learning workspace and resources in the resource group. Okay, so here go to the Azure machine learning resource group and created Azure machine learning workspace. So go to the this one. This one, yeah. The resource group and the machine learning workspace. Click home after that resource group. Okay, this one. So I create the screenshot. Okay, here you go. This is the screenshot. Okay, I'm going to annotate this is the resource group and this is the machine learning workspace created. Yeah, okay. This is for the first screenshot. Okay, the second is the machine learning studio launching page. Okay, so when I click this machine learning workspace, after that we have the now this one launch studio. Yeah, so I create the screenshot. Ah, it's cover. Okay, so here you go. Launch studio. Okay. That's the second screenshot. Number 3 is the AutoML job configuration screenshot. Okay, AutoML job configuration. So we open the in the here AutoML job configuration job. Yeah, after that this one, the configuration, the job. Okay, the job. Okay. Yeah, I think this one is enough. It's okay. Job after that the configuration all jobs, and then after that this one because it's already run. Okay, edit. Yeah, click edit. Oh no, no. This is only editor name. Okay, this one, submit training job. Yeah, this is the configuration. Okay, so annotate this one. That's a third screenshot. And then number 4 is a jobs page after job submission. Okay, after the AutoML submission. So you go to the job, then after that click the under the jobs. Okay, yeah, so display. Okay, yeah, so completed already. This is the best model. Okay, that's the number 4, the last one. Then save. Then you can submit. Okay, everyone. So that's the how to complete the assignment 2.